let me enjoy my life. mm, mm, mm. Hey guys, today is August 7th and we are here again to check on our yogurt that has been sitting outside the refrigerator since 16th of July 2024. So we're going to be checking it out to see how it is. Okay? It's right here. I'm going to be um, checking it out. See the texture, if it's still intact, taste, and all. So what I did yesterday was I brought out one of them. So I brought out this one, this strawberry, yesterday to refrigerate it so that I can drink it cold and see it's the same day, the same batch. The second one is still on the shelf there. So I'm going to be um, pouring this one out so that we see how it looks like. Are you guys ready? Like the flavor, everything smells so good. So good. Oh yeah. Let's pour this together and see what we have. Can you guys see this? Can you guys see this yogurt? Super, super, super. Can you see this? No syneresis. You can see? No separation of any type. Can you see the thickness? This is because we used our natural preservative mixture, our powerful preservative mix. So tell me which customer would resist this goodness. Like, let me get a spoon and show you guys. Our yogurt recipe is the bomb. Are you seeing the lusciousness? This is yogurt. Can you see this? Tell me which customer will tell you, this yogurt is not good. Just look at this. Just look at this. Using my all-in-all bacteria culture, my best bacteria culture. Can you see the texture of this yogurt? Can you people see? So you can still sign up for our commercial drinking yogurt class, okay? Where we teach you the best yogurt production. Just look at this yogurt. If you drink this thing, you just know that you reached heaven. Then you decide to come back or not. You understand? You can remain there or come back. So this is not the time that you keep sticking to your old way that is not working for you. Okay, come and ride on my wings. I have gone around the world to learn from the best of the best of the best teachers, and we have a very stable recipe, irresistible, stable recipe that doesn't separate. Can you see this? Because there are some yogurt that by now you see that water is either down like this, half of the bottle down is water and half of here is floating with the yogurt, or the water will be up, the yogurt will be down. You understand? There are cases like that. So just look at this one that has been, sitting on the shelf. Can you see? Can you see? There's no separation of any type. Look at the top of the lid here. Can you see this? Yeah, it's superb. Superb. So you see this class, they are currently at a giveaway prizes. Very soon, trust me, the price of this class will revert to what is meant to be, because this is premium value that we're dishing out at a giveaway price for serious business-minded people. You can't be in business and you want to make millions, and yet you can't sacrifice an amount of money to improve your business, to train yourself. Knowledge is power. You can't find it on the street for free. So pay secure money, invest money, have a savings account for trainings, budget training money in a different account so that once in a while, it can be twice a year, go for improvement, go for something you don't know and improve yourself. So you guys should hurry up, okay? See you in class. Bye. So I'm going to drink this yogurt to show you that it's very, very, very good. Okay? So I just poured this, and this is the yogurt I just poured here from this bottle that has been on the shelf for 3 weeks and some days. And I'm going to drink and enjoy it, okay? Really good, like it's as fresh as the day we made it. Mm. Oh my god, so good. Everything intact. Flavor, the aroma, texture. You know, just look at all of this. The thickness, the mouthfeel is super smooth and lush. You know, there's nobody that will taste this your yogurt that will not come back for more. It's guaranteed. It's good. This is it. When you learn how to do things the right way, it will cost you some money initially, but after that, you just keep flying. You just keep flying, you know, making money. By then, people will not know me again. People will be balling, making millions. Okay, so I think I've talked enough. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't want to confuse you again, but I want to convince you. I hope, no, how do they say? I hope I've been able to convince you and not confuse you. Goodbye. Oh, let me enjoy my life.